Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to see how to pronounce the sound. The sound is a diphthong sound, which means it is a combination of two vowels, sounds that are pronounced within the same syllable. The sound is a combination of the and the It's here in the diagram, you can see. It's a combination of the and the and the vowels. Here I can show you how you have to move your mouth. First you have to close mind and then open mind. Central, okay? Here you can see how you have to move your mouth to pronounce correctly the sound. Okay? These two vowels are pronounced like vowels. The diphthongs are all made through the mouth and are voiced, which means that you favorite your vocal chords to make the sounds. Like with vowels and consonants, when you pronounce a diphthong sound, your mouth will change position and shape as you say the sound because they combine two vowels. So as you say the sound, a little and allow your lips to become less unrolled as you finish. The position of the sound, okay? Here I can show you when you have to start and where you have to finish to say correctly the sound. You have to start with the open mind close, with the closed mind front, and then you have to go to the open mind central. You have to move this way. Sound. Okay. Now I'm going to show you some words that are pronounced with the sounds. Okay. First we have there, where, area, current, yeah, various, hair, share, care, and where. Okay, some of the anomalies on these sounds are in the pronunciation and in the British language than in the American language, in the American accent, sorry. So the pronunciation, it depends what I'm trying to say. So now I'm going to show you some two words that pronounce different and change the sound and change it how you have to move your mouth. Okay, in the British accent you will say share and where. Besides, in the American accent, the right pronunciation of these two words are share and where. Where and share. Where, share. Where, share. So you can see how I'm moving my mouth. Where, share. Share, where. And in the British accent, it's where, share. Sure. Okay, here you can see and notice the difference. Okay, so that's for today's video. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye.